This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening spirit boosters, it's me, Miss Janita. I'm in the kitchen sink. It's garden spa day for my bird nest Sansevieria. I showed you guys this plant in a previous video. It was suffering bad. It was starting to sumper over, dry up. But this is some of the leaves that the droopy strain, dried up leaves that I removed from this particular part of the plant. I have like about 6 more pieces of the plant that I have to clean up. I've been using this gentle brush here to gently brush through the roots to remove all the dirt and debris from the roots. Yep, and as you can see, they look still okay, but I'm looking out for any spiders because this plant was the big one. The big one in the previous video I showed you guys, the bird nest on the balcony garden, on my balcony garden. But just like the snake plant, hopefully this plant will revive itself too, because look, some of the plants on here look pretty healthy. So I'm going to continue to flush out all the debris and trash and old dirt from this plant. I'm gonna do the rest of them and I'll be back because I can't hold the camera. I should have my tripod up, but I don't know if I can get it. It's just a lot to have my tripod up. But I'll be back in a minute. Let me get the rest of the plants in here so I can show you guys. I'll be back, you guys. Hold on, don't go anywhere. And remember, if you don't watch the whole video, please just give me a thumbs up. Just let me know that you came by, even if you don't watch the video or watch the whole video. I appreciate it. I'll be right back, y'all. Gardening spirit boosters. Okay, this is all the trash, debris, old dirt, and all the little yuck stuff that was on the plant at the garden spa, giving my bird nest Sansevieria a garden spa day, cleaning it up, removing all the dead stuff like I just mentioned. And I'm about to repot. I'm about to show you guys how many plants I have after cleaning it up and separating some of the babies from the mama plants. So give me a second. Let me get this trash out of the sink. I had a paper towel down here to catch the dirt from going down the drain, so it worked pretty good. I'm not trying to clog up my drain, so I did do that. Hold up, guys. Now I'll be back. Okay, gardening spirit boosters. I have 13 plants. I have like 6. Where's me something to point with? 6 of these baby ones. 6 of the baby ones. Then I got these over here, and I have this big one right there, and then I have another big one here. So it's 13 plants all together that I'm about to find me some pots and get them planted, and I'll share that with you guys. What I want to share also is something. When I was cleaning the old leaves off of the plant, you see these roots? There are roots when you pull down. Let me show a bigger one. When you pull down these leaves, there are roots behind there. Those orange, I got on the orange I don't think you call this tubular, but those orange roots are behind the leaves when you pull them down. To remove them, like in this motion, like I'm pulling down, you'll see some roots back there. So some of them, the roots are up a little high, and I'll make sure I'm covering the root on the leaf, up under the leaf. So I'll be up pretty high, like right where my thumb is, because the roots are up in there. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to plant up that high. It's roots up under the leaves. I keep saying that because, hey, I don't know if some of you guys knew that. Let me know in the comments. I just discovered that today as I'm in the garden spa, doing a garden spa date with my bird nest Sansevieria. These plants are expensive, so I'm propagating. And I got 13 plants. Isn't that something? And hopefully they'll bounce back like my snake plant did when I showed you guys that in a previous video. That snake plant came back to life and it's growing so tall. I should put a picture of it in the video so y'all can see. Other than that, y'all go and look at a previous video when I talk about my snake plants, and you guys will see. Some of you guys might remember that video when my snake plant, I was saying it had died and then it revived because you guys had encouraged me to try and save it. And I did, and I thank you guys. I love my subscribers. Thank you for all the support and everything that you guys do for me on this channel. I really, really appreciate it. And I got a community tab. I call it, well, community post now. And I'm happy because some of you guys were saying I needed 500 subscribers, but that's not the case over here. I have my community tab, and I'm so happy. I have shouted out a bunch of you guys on my community post. Check it out. Check out the subscribers. I mean, check out the channels that I posted on my community tab and go follow them. They are great channels. You can say Miss Janita sent you, or just tell them the name of my channel sent you over there, and I appreciate it. Let them know. Let's support each other. Let's help each other's channel grow, or help each other by having more watch time. Because when you start getting a paycheck from YouTube, you got to have subscribers watching your video, because those commercials on there, and that's how you get a check. So if y'all know that, let me know in the comments. But let me go get the dirt so I can show you guys how some of them I put in the dirt. Okay, gardening spirit boosters. Here are my plants, all put to rest in their brand new planter. And I have them sitting in a convenient water tray planter so that I'll put the water in. I can water them from the bottom, and don't have to worry about disturbing and wetting the dirt from the top. So yes, it's a bird nest garden spa day. 13, well, I did separate some more, but I'm just gonna keep it with the 13. Hopefully they survive. And I know these are 4-inch planters that some of them are in. I got a 6-inch I'm gonna show you guys, because I had the bigger one. I had to put it in a bigger pot. And I know as these grow, they're gonna need to be put in a bigger pot, so I'm gonna have to order some more 6-inch or 8-inch, probably 6 and 8-inch planters, because these bird nests, they really, you know, grow a lot of babies. So they are definitely gonna need their room. I think maybe the part of the problem of this plant was because it was overcrowded. All of these plants came from one pot. If you guys look at my last video, you'll see that plant. It was a pretty big plant, and I busted it up and then separated the babies. And so here we have new plants. Loving it. Now let me show you the other one that I put in a 6-inch pot. Y'all see my Thanksgiving pumpkin? Yep, it's cute. Helped me out, kept me company while I did this job. at the garden spa. Let me show y'all the other one. Okay, garden spirit boosters. Here is the biggest one in the 6-inch pot. I kept a few more extra leaves on this one. Like I say, roots are underneath those leaves. I am loving it. All my babies, all my new plants, propagation, it's the way to go. Saving money. Don't have to keep buying these plants. If you like the plant, you have a passion for a particular plant and you want more, try and propagate it if it's possible. That's the best way to go. Hope you guys enjoyed my little video today, because I'm sorry that I didn't show the part where I put it in the dirt, but that was kind of messy. And I like the job that I did. It looks really nice. They look nice. We're gonna see what's today's date. Today is Friday, November 4th. And we're gonna see in a couple of weeks or so, or a week, whatever, we'll see how the babies are doing. If they're you know, making any new babies, I'll share all that too. You guys just, well, got to look at the video and count how many babies I have in each 4-inch planter, and then if you see some more new heads, which I'll share, then that'll let you know that the plant is growing and everything is fine. And eventually I'm going to have to, you know, I'm going to order my 6-inch and 8-inch pot planter pots, because like I said, these things grow babies, a lot of babies. They're fertile fertile bird nest plants. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for all your support. See you guys. I'll be over to your channel supporting you. Remember, I got my community tab. Check it out. The people that I shouted out, go and follow their channels. Tell them I sent you. And make new friends. Grow your channels. Remember, you give folks thumbs up. If you ain't got time to watch the video or watch the whole video, remember the thumbs up, folks, video. Let's give the great support. Love y'all. Loving it. And you're awesome. And I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for your time and support.